illegal block in the back, offense number 56. Immediate penalty from the end of the run, results of the play, first down.